Hello, when we receive the device, let's start with an inventory of the equipment tools, ruler, glasses, wrench, network card, flash drive. The first step is to install the conveyor belt. After placing the conveyor belt, both sides are locked with 4 screws. The other side. Step 2. Install the assembly line motor by inserting the signal and power cables past the rotary lock. Step 3. Installation of sensors. We place the 2 ends of the sensor on the conveyor belt has a marked, engraved line correspond to it. Lock the screws. The other end of the sensor head is the same as above. Simply correspond and lock the screws. Step 4. Connect the sensor head. Connect the 2 sensor wires to the sensor head. Step 5. Connect the bottom light of the assembly line and insert the corresponding locking. Step 6. Install the dust hose and insert it by aligning it with the air vent. Step 7. Mounting the monitor, locked by 3 screws. Step 8. Connect the monitor plug and turn the 2 screws to lock. Step 9. Install the gas strip. Fix the gas strip on the conveyor belt and fix the 8 screws in place. Step 10. Install the external exhaust duct corresponding to the insertion of locking. Tighten the screws can be. Step 11. Install the power cord by plugging it through and tightening it to lock it in place. The above 4-step installation is complete. Plug in. Connect the power plug in the power supply to start the device. This is the overall effect of the unit installed. This is the effect when the unit is operating normally.